Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. We live in Minnesota and there is snow coming at some point, not right now, but it is coming. And what I wanted to ask you today for this week's Just the Tip is, are you going to be able to park your car in your garage? If you live in a cold weather state, you're gonna have frost on that windshield, snow on that windshield. I hate to break it to you, but it is coming. One of the, I think, most luxurious things you can do for yourself if you have a garage is clear it out, organize it, make sure you have room to park your car. You can start your car in the morning. You don't have to scrape it. There's so many benefits to just starting your day out on the right foot without having to scrape your car. So now's the time. We're getting into fall. The weather is going to be changing shortly. It's the best time, in my opinion, to do a great garage purge because, in my opinion, the weather is beautiful in the fall and it makes me excited to pull everything out of the garage, sort it, categorize it, figure out what we don't need anymore, and then reorganize the things we have, pulling out any winter gear we might need. Ski stuff, snowboard stuff, pool stuff can probably be put away, things of that nature. Get in that right mindset and make sure, most importantly, that you are gonna have space to park your car. So that is my tip of the week. Get after those garages. This is your last chance to do so, and I think you will thank me later. All right, we'll see you next week.